Welcome. Today we are looking at grade 10 English school assessment by NEC. The deadline of this assessment is October 31st, 2026. And in this assessment, students work alone and also they work in groups. It tests listening, speaking, reading, writing, and grammar. So there are 5 tasks to complete. Each task is worth 20 marks. The total score is 100 marks. And all the work done should be kept neatly in a portfolio. In the second page, I'm going to guide you in the school language assignment about climate change. So these are the assignment steps. Number 1, you have to understand that this is a climate change language assignment. So the groups are supposed to find a short article about climate change. And when you're finding the article, it must cover causes and effects of climate change. Then every student works completely alone. So at this step, after finding the article, every student must completely work alone. So they read the article and note the key details. From there, they write a summary using their own words. Here, what do we mean? We mean from the original article, you make 1/3 summary of the original article that you get. And you make sure when you're doing the summary, you keep all main points and meaning clear. Therefore, you should add in the article and the summary. And ensure that you write the word count on both papers. Here is the article, Climate Change Causes and Effects. And the word count is 600 words. Climate change is one of the most critical challenges facing our world today. It refers to long-term shifts in global temperatures and weather patterns. While the Earth's climate has naturally changed over millions of years, the rapid warming observed since the mid-20th century is driven almost entirely by human activities. Understanding both the roots and the consequences of this phenomenon is essential for finding solutions. The primary cause of modern climate change is the burning of fossil fuel. Materials like coal, oil, and natural gas are heavily utilized to power cars, generate electricity, and run manufacturing factories. When these fuels burn, they release massive amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases act like a blanket wrapped around the Earth, trapping heat from the sun and causing global temperatures to steadily rise. Another major contributor is widespread deforestation. Trees naturally absorb carbon dioxide from the air and store it, acting as a vital carbon sinks. When humans cut down large forests for timber, agriculture, and urban development, that stored carbon is released back into the air. Furthermore, fewer trees remain to clean the atmosphere, which accelerates the greenhouse effects and intensifies the heating process. Industrial agriculture and waste management also play significant roles. Large-scale livestock farming, particularly cattle rearing, produces immense amounts of methane gas during digestion. Additionally, rotting organic waste in landfills generates both methane and carbon dioxide. These gases are even more potent at trapping atmospheric heat than carbon dioxide over shorter periods, further worsening global warming. The effects of these human activities are already severe and widespread. One of the most visible impacts is the melting of polar ice caps and glaciers. As this ice turns into water, global sea levels rise at an alarming rate. This coastal flooding threatens millions of people living in low-lying cities, causing erosion and ruining local freshwater supplies. Furthermore, climate change causes weather patterns to become increasingly extreme and unpredictable. Many regions now experience longer, harsher droughts that dry up water sources and ruin agricultural crops. Conversely, other areas suffer from intense, heavy rainstorms and lead to catastrophic flash floods. Flash floods. These rapid shifts destroy homes, disrupt local economies, and severely threaten global food security. Finally, rising temperatures drastically alter natural ecosystems and harm wildlife. Many animal and plant species cannot adapt quickly enough to the rapidly changing conditions of shifting seasonal cycles, as their native habitats alter or disappear entirely. Extinction rates rise sharply. This loss of biodiversity destabilizes natural ecosystems that humans rely on for clean air, water, and resources. In conclusion, human actions like burning fossil fuels, destroying forests, and industrial farming are the main drivers of climate change. The resulting impacts, including rising seas, extreme weather, and ecosystem damage, affect every corner of the planet. Addressing these global crises required urgent cooperation and reduce greenhouse gas emissions and protect our natural environment for future generations. This is the summary of the article. Climate change, causes and effects. Word count here is 195 words. Human activities cause modern climate change by trapping heat in the atmosphere. The biggest cause is burning fossil fuels for electricity, cars, and factories, which release a lot of carbon dioxide. Cutting down large forests make this worse because trees naturally clean the air by storing carbon. Industrial farming and rotting trash also release methane gas, which traps even more heat and speeds up global warming. The effects of these activities are very dangerous for the Earth. Higher temperatures melt polar ice, which raises sea levels and causes coastal flooding. Weather patterns also become extreme, creating long droughts in some places and heavy rainstorms in others. These extreme weather shifts destroy homes and ruin crops, which threatens the food supply. Additionally, many plants and animals cannot survive in these changing environments, leading to habitat loss and extinction. In conclusion, burning fuels, cutting forests, and farming are warming the planet. This warming causes rising seas, extreme weather, and damage to nature. To fix this crisis, the world must work together to lower greenhouse gases and protect the environment. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. We are going to do task 2 tomorrow. Thanks a lot for listening. Thanks a lot again for subscribing. God bless you.